Hello guys, this is Naveen Reddy. Now today we'll talk about NetBeans, in which I will create a simple swing application. Now most of the people, they know core Java, they know web technologies, but the problem is they cannot create a desktop application. So for this I'm just creating a desktop application. Now it's very simple to create a simple swing application. Now I'm not go for the advanced part. I'm not going for the depth of it. I'm just creating a small addition of two numbers application. Okay, so for this you have to go to file. In NetBeans you have to create project. Okay, so go to your Java and Java application. Again you can go for JavaFX also if you know it, but if you just know the basic core Java, you can only select Java and Java application. Next, here you can provide a name of the project. Again in NetBeans you have to create a project. Okay, and then finish. Now once you click finish, you will get a project. Again my machine is damn slow. Yeah, so you got the project here, you got default class. I don't want this class. What I need to create is I need to create a normal Java application, right? I need to create a normal Java class. So let me create a class. Okay, and in this class let me define this named as we will create some GUI application directly. Okay, again you can use some fundamental classes of GUI as JButton or JLabel. So what we can do is we can directly create a GUI, drag and drop application in Java. So you can use something called a JFrame. Directly you will get a GUI. You can drop some elements and like let me show you how it works. So let me name it as my GUI. Okay, so this is my first GUI. So yeah, as you can see, this is now your area where you can work. So this is your frame. Okay, and all these tools, all these controls, you can use it from here. What I need is I need to add two numbers, right? So I need a label. And let me name this label as first number. Okay, I need second also, so let me copy paste, and this is my second number. Okay, I guess I have written a wrong spelling for first number and second number. And what I need is I need a text field, right, where we can enter some data. So text field, so we have a text field here, and we want one more text field. So we have two text fields. Let me set the size of this text field. Yeah, so we can expand this size. Everything is drag and drop. Again, lots of people say in Java we don't have drag and drop, but we have. Okay, we have drag and drop. So to delete the content, delete, F2, delete. Okay, now I need to assign a name for it, right? So right click and you can see it's change variable name. So let me name it as txt txt1, and this will be txt2. Okay, then I need to add, right? So when I add, I need some label where I can show some output, right? So here I will show the output, and I want this to be answer colon, and variable name for this will be let me name it as lbl result. Okay, so this is result. Now to add this we need a button, right? So take a button, put your button here, because when you click on this button you get some event. So you can say add. Okay, and I will assign a name for this object. So change variable name, and you can assign it as btn add. Okay, now when I click add here, what I need is now you can see whatever you do on GUI, you can see the source code here. So you've taken a button, you have taken two labels, you've taken three labels and two text fields, right? So as you can see, when you run this, right click run, and yeah, this is your GUI, right? But problem is when you work with it, when you type some numbers, when you click on add, nothing happened, right? Because when you click on add, what I need is event, right? So when I click on add, I need an event. So for this, go to your ad and double click on your ad. As you can see here, I got an event. So whatever you do here, it will execute when you click on add. Okay, so let me take two variables. So int I, in which I will get data from text field. So when I get data from text field, it is txt1 dot. To get the data from text field, you have a method called as get text. But the problem is, when you say get text, it will give you text. It will give you string. You have to convert that string into integer. For that, we have a method called as we have a statement called as integer.parseInt. So integer is a class passed into the method which will convert your string into integer. It's parseInt. And you can do the same thing for second variable. So copy and paste. This time it will be j and your txt will be 2. Okay, now you have to add, right? To add these two numbers, we need third variable. Let's suppose k equal to I plus j. Then what next? We have to assign this k to your label. So to assign k to label, it's lbl results dot. We have to set the text now. So set text, and here it will be answer, and then plus it will be k. That's it. When you run this application, I think it will work now. It's 23 plus 55 and the answer is 78. So this is how you can create your own Swing application. In fact, you have lots of things here. You have a label, you have button, you have radio button, you have lots of components. You can use all this component to create a big project. Now again, if you want to call different forms, that we can do here. We can call different forms. So if I create one more form as ABC, and I want to call this form, I want to call this blank form from this form. What I have to do is, after add, or I can create one more button here. So let's design and a button. Make a button here. Let's name it as next. So when I click this next, we have very simple coding. We just have to call the object. We have to just create the object. So new ABC bracket. That's it. Now when I run this, if you say next, it will open your problem is it gets open, but what I need is we need to make it visible. So set visible true. Now we can see. So when you click on next, you can see you have called the new blank form. Again, what I need is we have to close the last also. So this will close the current window and we open the new window. So this statement for new window, which is ABC, and this will close the current window. This dot dispose. So as you can see, when you click on next, so last window is closed now. Okay. So this is your output. Right. So this is how you can create small Swing application. For more video, stay tuned and please subscribe for the further videos. Thank you.